Thank you. It has been 20 years since then, and I've had my ups and my downs. But I thank the Lord for an adventure of a lifetime. Ito pong mga susunod kong awitin, ang naging kasama ko po mula nang sumali ako sa Asia Pacific Singing Contest. At magpahanggang ngayon, ito pa rin po ang aking kasama. 20 years, I'm looking back at my 20 years, napakarami ko na rin po palang na-experience. Excited din po ako sa hinaharap. Hopefully, nandyan pa rin kayo dahil hanggang gusto niyo pa akong magpapakita. Pipilitin ko ilabas ang boses ko kahit sa manggaling. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for being here. I think I finally know you. I can see it in your eyes. I think that I can show you that what we've had is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like a thread that keeps unraveling within? It ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally know to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. You and me, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more. And I am telling you, I'm not going. You're the best man I ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No way I'm living without you.